Hey everyone, welcome back to another week of learning. Again, for today, we're gonna talk about, rating another or reviewing another VA agency na hindi ko pa kilala, na ngayon ko lang nakita, no? It's called 24x7 Direct, and based on what I saw earlier, kasi tinignan ko na to, like before I recorded this, they provide laptop or equipment. So, guys, okay, if this is something that you want, okay, then please keep on watching kasi disclaimer lang din, nabasa ko na they provide their laptops, okay, or equipment 30 days after hiring. So dito, kailangan mo pa rin ng sariling laptop bago ka magsimula. All right, let's just go through this together. So, 24x7 Direct, nakalagay dyan, virtual teams, global staff. So, this is an Australian company. All right, so Australian-based. Most likely, okay, yung time zone dito when it comes to working hours will be early morning to afternoon. Pag Australian ganon. All right, so far may mga magagandang reviews sila. Ayan no, sa Google. And very, very pag sinabing Google reviews, guys, very talagang what you call this, reliable ang mga tawag dito, reviews, may bearing mga mi. So nakalagay dito, we recruit world-class talent for a diverse range of specialized job roles. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila specific. Like, hindi sila pang real estate lang, hindi sila for finance firms lang. Ito, diverse, such as, ayan no, para planning assistant, admin assistant, executive assistant, web designers, SEO specialist, and many, many more. Yung mechanical engineer assistant, bookkeeper, accountant, social media manager, systems engineer assistant, network engineer assistant, content writers, graphic designer, recruitment staff, web developers, digital marketing specialists, tech support specialists, and customer service representatives. So, ang dami. Mga mi, so sabi dito, eto yung selling point nila sa mga clients nila. Transform your talent acquisition strategy. 70% saving on labor costs, no recruitment costs, no upfront capital costs. We provide infrastructure and one invoice, no hidden cost. So, ayan, for the clients lang naman yan. Yan so far ang background, no? So, let's see yung recruitment process nila. So, ito yung recruitment process nila, 6 steps. First is resume screening, okay? And then initial interview with the HR. Ayan, so ito yung titingnan natin, no? Compatibility, discussion, role simulation. May simulation, guys. Goal alignment and culture alignment kung fit kayo. Next is reference checks, okay? Tech assessment, okay? Second interview. So tatlo pala ha, with the operations team. Ayan. And then client interview. So yung first interview is parang are we a match when it comes to culture, goals, role, no? Lahat yan. Second interview is all about deeper compatibility, assessment, adaptability evaluation, problem solving, tailored role assessment. So yan ang mga, ayan, i-assess on that second interview with operations team. And lastly is the client interview na mga me, which is ito, direct client interaction, alignment with vision, collaboration potential, and suitability confirmation. So tatlo ang pagdadaanan yung, ayan, interview. So let's talk about, ano ba? Let's talk about ito. Saan dito kaya yung mga careers? Wait lang, nakita ko yan eh. Careers. Resources. Ayan, careers. Okay, ito na ang hinihintay nyo. Ano yung mga openings so far? Right now, may 3 openings. So, Google Ads Specialist, Shopify Customer Service VA, Junior Full Stack Developer. So, let's check. 3 yan full-time. Okay, let's check for Google Ads Specialist. So it says here, industry services or corporate B2B, work experiences 1 to 3 years of experience. So naghahanap sila ng specific experience depending on the job post. Ayan, no? It's a remote job and salary is 60,000 pesos a month. So, let's look at the requirements. At least 3 years of experience managing Google Ads campaigns, proficient in Google Ad Analytics, Google Ads, and other relevant tools, strong knowledge of Google Ads policy, format, bidding strategies, analytical skills, communication skills, problem solving skills, creative, innovative in design and testing new ideas or formats, ability to work independently and collaborating with the team, fluent in English, both written and spoken. So dito fluent ang peg. Ito yung benefits, no? Monthly salary of 60,000 pesos. Salary will be paid on a bi-monthly basis, 15th or 30th or 31st of each month. You'll be paid extra for overtime and Philippine public holidays. Philippine public holidays, yung mga double pay, mga ganyan, pasok, no? Probation is 6 months after probation, okay? There's 10 days annual leave credits and 5 days na sick leave, all right? Tas guys, meron silang 13th month pay after 30 days. Okay. And then laptop is provided after 30 days. Napakaganda ng benefits, mga mi, no? It's a permanent work from home role. You will have to use your own internet. And then there's an annual appraisal. So shift times, ayan no, sabi ko sa'yo, Mondays to Fridays, 6 a.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. So napakaganda ng benefits. Alright. And ito, yung itsura ng application form nila. Okay? So, basic information, address information, job-related questions, Skype ID, are you comfortable monitoring software? I think ito, kailangan mag-yes ka dito. Ayan. And then submit application. That's it. Yung resume lang, that's it. So, ang simple lang din ng kanilang application form, napakadali, guys. So, ako, kung ako tatanungin mo at wala pa akong trabaho ngayon, no, I would really apply here kasi unang-una, yung aking shift ay normal shift pang umaga at maaga ako natapos so hindi sira ang body clock ko. May weekends ako, may laptop ako after 30 days from them, may 13th month ako, meron akong mga holiday pays from the Philippines, no? May 13th month pay ako. Wala na akong hanaping iba. I am not sure kung sinabi lang may HMO, pero parang walang HMO, guys. Parang walang HMO. Walang HMO. But that's okay. That's okay. No? I'm sure yung kikitain mo dito ay, alam mo yon, magkakaroon ka ng budget to get your own HMO. So, this is my review, mga beshi. It's a 24x7 direct VA agency. Australian VA agency. Sana na-enjoy nyo ito. Sana naliwanagan kayo. So, if you think para sa inyo to, then go ahead and apply now. And who knows, baka next week or next month, VA ka na under 24x7 direct. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!